Yo, hello guys, good day, welcome back again. And we are almost on the sixth, going to the seventh episode of exploring Uganda, Kampala, guys. So I am staying in Entebbe, guys, one of the amazing place here where the Kampala Uganda airport is located, guys. So if you are coming to Uganda, Kampala, I'm pretty sure you will be passing through Entebbe. This is where I'm staying. And today we are going to explore Uganda beach, guys. We are going to the beach. Beach or beach? Anyway, you know it, okay? So we are going to the beach and I'm going to the Coco Beach. And I just saw people hyping me about this beach, and I'm not pretty sure if it is the best beach in Uganda. So we will find out, guys. So let's go and see which beach is the best in Uganda, because they have like Coco Beach, they have Sun Beach, they have also like we can say like they have like so many beach, guys. There is so many beach. So I don't know which one is the best. It's my first time today going to check it out, but maybe I will ask some local people here. And now I'm just coming out on the street, on the road here to catch boda, because the place is like 30 minutes from here to the Coco Beach, guys. So I don't know how much it will take, and let me just see any boda guy, and we'll see how much it will take. Yeah, so this is the road, guys. This is the highway. No, this is not the highway, guys. This is the road of Entebbe. There is another road, guys. There is another road which they call it like the highway, guys. Yeah, I'm going to Coco Beach. Yeah, Coco Beach. Entebbe. Yeah, Entebbe, Coco Beach. How much will it take? 15. Huh? 15. Yeah. How far is it from here?
Yeah, it's too far.
No, it's 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes. I searched on Google, man. This is too much. This is too much. No.
How much do you have?
No. This is not the fair price. I'm not. I searched about it in Google. This is not.
What does it say border?
Huh?
State border.
I can't get you. What did you say?
I think I'm right.
It's 30 minutes. That is too much price for it. You are giving foreigner price. You have to give the local price. Saying 15,000, no, that is not the price, guys. Because the place is like 30 minutes from here. And I still remember like I went from here almost like 1 hour journey. It costs around like around 8K, something like that. But Coco Beach is not far from here, so we just have to, you have to know, guys, here in Entebbe, like I mean in Uganda, you have to negotiate a lot, okay? You have to be so good in negotiation in everything, whether in the market or when it comes to boda, guys. They used to say that if you want to get something in a correct price, that there is one trick. The trick is like, let's say, suppose he said 15K, right? Then try to tell him maybe 10K or 5K. If he did not accept that amount you offer, then it means that is not the acceptable price. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do now. Let me catch another boda and I will see. Or see the talent there. I need boda here. If you want boda, you have to do like this. You have to carry your hand like this. Okay, this is the easiest way of transport here in Kampala. This is the most available means of transport, guys, in Kampala, which they call it boda. In India, they call it rapido or bike, guys. So if you come to Kampala, you have to say boda. boda boda. So we have another boda boda here. Yeah. I'm going to Entebbe Coco Beach.
Coco Beach.
Yeah. How much? How much does it take?
Good.
Huh?
It's
Sorry? 12. 12,000. Why that much?
Not too much.
It's too much.
There is a distance.
Huh?
This is what I want. I take it up.
How many minutes will it take? 30 minutes, huh? Is there any, can you suggest me any other way to go there? If I take those mini bus and drop somewhere and then take boda boda from in between, is that okay? Will you suggest that? Huh?
Let's go on.
Let's go on, but the money is too much. I don't have that amount.
Yeah, wow.
I'll give you 5K.
The fuel is for like 6 or 7.
Huh? 6 or 7.
Yeah, the distance is still there.
It's far, huh? 5K, huh? Since I'm new in your country, you should treat me well. I don't know even the price.
You don't know
Yeah, I don't know the
the
price,
distance is still there.
but it's like, I saw in the Google it's like 30 minutes. Take me now. I'm showing Uganda to the world. I'm showing your country to the worldwide. Like people from Europe, from Asia, they will come to Uganda. They will come and explore Uganda. I am from Africa, South Sudan. I am not so rich, okay? I am African like you. I would have gave you enough money.
Okay.
But I am hustling also to make money, so I am exploring. I am from South Sudan, your neighboring country. So I'm going to Coco Beach to show Uganda to the world. Okay, if you see white person, then you expect more money.
Okay.
If it's not, that money is very less. Can you suggest me other way? Maybe I take this bus. Where can I drop? Then again take border. Will it work like that? Huh? Where can I drop? Like suppose if I take that bus, where should I drop there? Near Coco Beach? Near Coco Beach. I will drop in Chitodo. Then from there I take Boda Boda. It's near, huh? From there, how much will it take? Boda Boda?
5 minutes.
Huh? 5 minutes. How much it costs? Should I give from there? 2,000, huh? Okay, then thank you, huh? Thank you. You want a good name?
Huh?
Your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Namanya Edson.
Yeah, Edson. It's very friendly, guys. Thank you for the suggestion, okay? Thank you. I will go. Thank you so much.
You give me pen, I take.
Huh?
You give me pen, I take.
The problem, I don't have enough money and I want to go and make more, to create more videos there. I would have given you, but no problem. Okay. Sorry, okay? Thank
Now
you.
look closer, you go the other side.
Okay, thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you so much. He was very friendly, guys. Like, now he suggested the best way of taking or going in a cheap way. Going in a cheap way to Coco Beach, guys. Yeah, that's really amazing. You know, guys, like what I'm planning is I don't want to spend so much money in Boda Boda because I want to go and make a lot of content there. And I prefer like when coming back because it might be late so I can take Boda Boda. But now is daytime, it's not that struggling. So I can go with those buses. You can see there is buses like this one, guys, such buses. You can see such buses, the one which went right now. You can take it with only 1K, guys, or 2K. Let's say 2K, minimum 2K or 3K, it will take me where I'm going. Then from there I will take Boda Boda because it will drop me to a nearest place, guys, to a nearest drop by, which will be near to Entebbe. So I'm crossing that side and gonna wait for that bus, guys. I'm going with the cheap way, guys. So this is the cheap way. Yeah, let me wait for that bus. I will use the cheap way and go to that place. So stay tuned and we'll be exploring. Okay guys, so I did exactly like that Boda Boda man directed me. So I took a Ugandan mini taxi, which they call it Matato. It cost me only 3k and it dropped me to the nearest dropping point to Coco Beach, and from there I took boda with only 2k, guys. And you can see opposite there is the Entebbe or Uganda International Airport, guys. So now it costs only 5k for me to reach Coco Beach instead of 15k. So finally I am inside Coco Beach Entebbe, so I decide to make a voiceover to avoid music copyright, because inside will be a lot of music playing, guys. So the entry fee during weekend, which is Saturday and Sunday, guys, costs 10,000 Ugandan shilling for adult people, and during non-weekend days, which is only 5,000 Ugandan shilling. So basically, Coco Beach Entebbe is one of Uganda's most popular and vibrant lakeside destinations, located along Airport Road in Entebbe on the shore of Lake Victoria. This lively beach offers the perfect blend of relaxation, adventure, and entertainment. Visitors can enjoy swimming, beach volleyball, football, boat ride, or simply relaxing on the sand while soaking in beautiful sunset view. The beach comes alive in the evening with music, DJs, and parties that attract both local and tourists. There are several beach bars and restaurants serving fresh grilled tilapia, local dish, and variety of cool drinks and cocktail. But note that outside food and drinks are not allowed. And it is best to bring cash, swimwear, sunscreen, and a towel. The beach is usually open daily from morning until late night, though it can be quieter on a weekend days and busiest on weekends. Although some people say the beach used to be off during Monday and Tuesday, so make sure to confirm before moving. Whether you are looking for a laid-back afternoon by the lake or a fun night out with music and friends, Coco Beach, according to me, offer an unforgettable Ugandan beach experience filled with local culture, great food, and a good vibe. And if you're planning to visit Coco Beach, from my own experience, guys, never ever feel shy or embarrassed. You can literally do whatever kind of fun, enjoyment, or craziness that you love to do, because I discovered that this is really a peaceful and enjoyable place where you can enjoy, whether going with a family, kids, couples, or alone. This is a place you will find a really amazing and peaceful time. And I was alone. I thought it was going to be bored, but I just found people playing soccer, or you can say football, guys. So this is what I love the most, and I just felt like I really went Coco Beach and I paid for football, because I played football almost more than 40 minutes, guys, to be honest, and it was so fun. And I was the only foreigner or South Sudanese among the Ugandans, so they all thought I'm also a Ugandan. They started speaking local language with me, so I started telling them, no, I am from South Sudan. So I started playing football with them, and it was so fun. Hi, how are you? Hi. Sorry? I don't know even, I'm just standing here. You come, you ask them. I found them this place.
Why we go down? Huh?
Guys, this side is fun. You see, like, they have a lot of games, and you can just enjoy here. Like, to be honest, this is a good place to enjoy and to have entertainment here. Yeah. Like, so far, I saw people playing volleyball, handball. I mean, also basketball court is there, and this side they're playing football, guys. Like, there is no way it can be bored There is no way this side will be bored, guys. Like, like you will just have fun, a lot of fun, guys. I love that. They have penalty, guys. Now they are going to shoot penalty. They score penalty. Penalty shoot. How are you?
Okay, bro. How about you?
Good. Just I have one doubt, like in all Uganda here, which is the best beach? Like
The best beach. Probably because last time it was white sand.
white sand.
But probably now it's this one.
Now Coco Beach.
Yeah.
Now in Entebbe, Coco Beach is the beach that most people visit. Do you visit? Probably. Oh, thank you. Yeah. So those are the local people, guys, and you can hear from them the review, guys. Like Coco Beach is the best, and why you can choose Coco Beach, like because people are having a lot of fun, entertainment outside here, guys. I will take you shortly, but let me show you the beach, guys. I know most of you are here curious waiting to see the amazing party footage and the shaking part, but I promise to drop part 2 whereby you will see the amazing part. And guess what, I even joined and I party with the Ugandan or the local people. It was really amazing experience, guys. But for now I have important things to share with those who are planning to visit or to swim at the Lake Victoria in Coco Beach. Remember that there is no place that you can keep your stuff, I mean your phone or clothes. And another thing that I discovered that the food are quite expensive, and if you are a vlogger also, don't worry because nobody is gonna stop you from filming or recording, because this what I was a bit scared of it. There is no even charging to film at Coco Beach. So for now, let's dive and enjoy the Coco Club party.